Click Create New Project. Click OK. Enter the project name, Tree at Cat. Click OK. Right-click Package Model. Select Rename. Rename to Tree at Cat. Right-click Package Tree at Cat. Select Create Element. Search for Part. Select Part Definition. Rename it to Cat Face. Right-click Part Definition Cat Face. Select Create Element. Search for Part. Rename it to Ears. Right-click Part Ears. Select Specification. In the right panel, set multiplicity to 2. The left panel will update accordingly. Right-click Part Ears. Select Copy. Right-click Part Definition Cat Face. Select Paste. Right-click Part Ears 1. Select Specification. Rename Ears 1 to Eyes. The left panel will update accordingly. Right-click Part Definition Cat Face. Select Create Element. Search for Part. Rename it to Mouth. Right-click Part Mouth. Select Copy. Right-click Part Definition Cat Face. Select Paste. Right-click Part Mouth 1. Select Specification. Rename Mouth 1 to Outline. The left panel will update accordingly. Now we have 4 parts inside Cat Face definition, but we do not have the definitions for each of them. Right-click Package Tree at Cat. Select Create Element. Search for Part. Select Part Definition. Rename it to Ears. Right-click Part Definition Ears. Select Copy. Right-click Package Tree at Cat. Select Paste. Paste 2 more times so we have 3 extra part definitions. These 3 part definitions will be renamed to associate with the top 3 parts. To rename, right-click Part Definition. Select Rename. Now we have all the definitions for the parts. Let us connect them. Right-click Part Ears. Select Create Relation. Select Feature Typing. Click on the 3 dots. Click on the plus icon. Choose Ears. Click OK. Click OK. Now you can see the UI is updated. Part Ears has Part Definition Ears. Pause the video and repeat the process for the rest of the parts. The result should look like this. Now the interesting thing about SysML version 2 is that it has a textual notation. To get it, right-click Package Tree Cat. At the bottom, under Textual Editor, select Open. A window will pop up in the middle. Here you can see the textual notation for the system we just created. Let us say I want to add a feature to the cat, such as a box. I can add a line of notation here. Then click on this icon at the top. The system will be synced, and you can see the left panel is updated.